Good morning. Here we go again, another day. Driveway's clear. So, it'll be easier walking back and forth. But today, we're gonna try to get that bathroom done. I don't know, we'll give it a shot. I'll get back with you here in just a few. Almost forgot about you guys. So put the wax ring in, put this down, put new bolts. Alright guys. Hopefully these just snap right on. There we go. Okay, that's hooked up. That's hooked up. Alright, water on. No leaks yet. That's that. Does it work? Woohoo! No leaks. Granddaughter would be happy about that. Toilet's back. Alright. Paper towels, what did I do with them? Alright guys, I almost forgot you. I put the trim mold around. I'm going to silicone it to the tub and then caulk it on the, well, I'm going to silicone it, most of it. Be right back. Alright, so I don't have my microphone, so I hope in this little closed up bathroom you'll be able to hear me okay. Alright guys, sorry I couldn't involve you too much. Trim's in. I got a temporary shower rod that I'm going to hang a curtain on so they can use a shower. And the reason why is because there's a toilet, floor, and molding. Is there's no cabinet. The only cabinet we could find, we had to order. This is done in here until that cabinet comes. I'm going to finish the closet up. And then when the cabinet comes in, I'll bring you back in. I'm done for the day. I will tackle the closet tomorrow. Well, here we go again. I don't know if you can see it or not, but it's flurrying. I don't know if you can see that or not. Nice. That's all we need is more snow. But anyhow, guys, I'm done back there. Got the toilet in, got all the trim in. I only worked on it for a few hours, but I got so much other stuff I've got going on that I can't dedicate my whole day to that bathroom. Although, if I did, then get it done. But other things happen I have to do, so I'm gonna call it quits for today, and I will see you most likely tomorrow. I'm sorry I wasn't able to video all what I did in there today. It was tight and I was bumping around. I knocked the camera over 2 or 3 times and I was afraid I was going to damage my GoPro. So, but anyhow, there's Ori. How you doing, buddy? But anyhow, I'm gonna go take a break. And then I got other things I had to get done, so we'll see you tomorrow. All right, guys, we're heading back over to my daughter's place. See what kind of work we can do on it today. Snow's melting off. It was snowed last night. It got pretty heavy. I showed you a little short, but let's go inside and see what we can do. Alright guys, I got 600 million little staples to pull out. I'm not going to bore you with that, but you get the gist. Alright guys, so my granddaughter's down there cleaning up my mess out of that closet. I got my truck up here, which has got all the panels, if it's not frozen shut. It is not. But panels and, whoa, the panels and the molding. I'm going to leave my chop saw back there. I might take it down out of there long enough to get my panels out so I can chop them up. So to keep from having to paint and all that good stuff, this board is pre-painted and it's kind of a bead board. I can't see that in the camera. I don't know how else to show it to you. Well, you're gonna have to trust me. It's like bead board. What I'll do is once we get it in there, you should be able to see it. I need two panels, 48 inches wide, which that should be what those are. Correct. And that would be correct. Yeah, it's a little high, but that's all right. It'll be all right. It'll be all right. It will be okay. I think you'll understand what I'm going to do here in a minute. Lock this wheel here. That ain't where I want to pull power from. That'll be in my way. Okay. I don't know. I have to turn this saw around. I used to have a nice, well, I still have it. I have a nice table saw. It's not like a real nice table saw, but it's a nice table saw. And I have it made so that I can cut 4x8 sheets of wood. Well, this is a little portable saw. I have a couple of portable saws. I have this one and a Makita, which I used to work with when I was in construction. Saws are, this was my dad's saw. That's all he needed. So anyhow, now what do I do with that tape measure? I had one in that belt, tool belt. There it is. So what I'm going to do is I got to take exactly 1 foot off the end of these two of these boards to make them 7 foot. So pencil. I don't really need a pencil, but I would remove 1 full foot from the top. Ooh, that blade is on an angle. That kind of sucks. I don't like that. I've not used this saw much, but including the blade, I'm going to remove 12 inches. That will leave me remaining 7 feet. 1 foot, 1 foot. That's including the blade. Oh man, it's cold out here. Might kick the diesel heater on just to double check myself. Aiden, measure twice, cut once. Mr. F6B. So it's 7 feet. I am going to remove 1 full foot. I have 7 feet over there, and remove 1 full foot, including the blade. So, man, it's chilly out here. What I plan on doing is I'll put the 7 feet here, and as I push it through, that will be my helper. In theory. And if I cut it wrong, well, oh well. I think I'm going to try to get this set up before I put it up on there. Perfect. All right, guys, let's see if I make a mistake. I'm going to take those 2 panels down. Well, my friends, I got those 2 panels taken down there and took into the room. Yeah, Callie says hi. But that was a bit of a challenge, getting a 4-foot by 7-foot panel into a room that's, again, kind of like the tub, didn't fit too well. But my granddaughter was able to give me a hand. We bowed those panels to a point where they flopped in place. But I'm fixing to take you in there and we'll put them in. Alright guys, I think those are going to look quite nice in here. It's going to be nice and bright. Got to cut out down there for that access panel, but we're going to nail this off. That's kind of tight. I don't know how well you're going to see. Actually, I'm going to staple it off. We got moldings that will cover these joints and up at the ceiling, but out of staples. I brought enough staples up here. I should have, but I dropped a set and it broke. Alright, I'm going to get a pencil that can be wiped off of this bolt. So I should be ready. Oh yeah. We will cover those in. Oops, I'm going into the nose zone. 16 and 32. Perfect. I need my level so I can mark. Where'd that pencil go? I'm gonna mark where this goes. I'm gonna go above. Oh crap, I forgot to mark it where the other one is. I'll mail that off later. I think it was 36, but anyhow, this will be good enough. They will be good. Alright, so that panel is on, so obviously we're going to be routing this out, which I'll do here in a minute. But I'm going to get this other panel. Forgot to tell you, I've got to cut 2 studs, one for this corner and one for this corner, because the way they build a mobile home, they build all the walls on the outside and then they bring in these interior walls, so I don't have no nailer here or over there, so I'm going to go cut me 2 studs, make me some nailers, and then I'm going to cut these other panels. Man, you won't be on it, huh? But I didn't give me a hand. Might have to pull that hose out of the way. Yeah. This one shouldn't be as hard. Well, I might be able to get this one in without I don't crash my camera. Alright, I think I can get it by myself. I'm gonna try anyhow. Alright guys, I'm gonna put you behind the wall. Kind of saw how hard the smaller one was to get in. Imagine what the two full-size ones were. There. Staples. Alright guys, got all the walls in except for this piece right here, which I'm going to go cut now, but be molding all the way around the top, down the corners, and then of course that's going to be my access panel. I'm going to use that and make a panel. But got moldings to put up, one more panel, got the door side. Anyhow, sorry I tried to have you in here, but I kept knocking my camera over and over and over. Sorry guys, but I haven't had you in here that often. I mean, you can see this is literally, yeah, I was knocking you over all the time. So anyhow, I'll talk to you in a little bit. Sorry, I got my hands full. Can't flip the camera proper. Look at this stick, Callie. Get it. Hold on, I'm sure everybody wants to see you. Where's your stick? Get it? Did you get it? Where's your stick? Get your stick. I'm gonna get your stick. Funny. She's a funny girl. Well, I was hoping to be 100% done, but I knew that wasn't really in reality going to happen due to the fact that I don't have a cabinet and some other things, but I'm gonna call it done for the day and go in the house. Talk to you guys later. I will get back at this probably once we have the cabinet, and I'll let you know.